We're checking out the Doosan's new Industrial AI Edge Computing Gateway. It has rich interfaces and antennas to support reliable and strong connections, including RS-232, RS485 ports, I/O ports, 2 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, 1 USB Type-C port, 2 Gigabit Ethernet ports, 2 Wi-Fi antennas, 1 BEL antenna, 1 LoRa antenna on the front, 1 CAN port, 4 5G antennas on the sides. Now let's take apart the gateway and see what inside. It has an active fan cooling system to maintain the optimal operating temperature, especially during intensive AI computations. This gateway boasts a RJ45 chipset with an NPU offers 6 TOPS AI computing power, besides wired connection. It also supports multi-wireless protocols. We can see that 5G module, Wi-Fi 6 module, Bluetooth module and LoRaWAN module. DSGW-380 is highly suitable for secondary development for various industrial IoT use cases.